Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar initially pulled back just a touch against the US dollar at the open here on Tuesday, only to turn around and show signs of strength. The 0.58 level above is a barrier that people will be watching, as it is a large, round, psychologically significant figure and an area that's been important a couple of times in the past. Furthermore, the 50-day EMA sits right around the 0.5820 level, and traders will watch that very closely. Any signs of exhaustion near that 50-day EMA or the 0.58 level, for me, is a selling opportunity. A simple place to watch after that would be the 0.5850 level, because it is an area that was important as well. And you can think of the area, the 50 pip area, as a zone of previous support that should become resistance in the future. All things being equal, signs of exhaustion will get jumped on, and I think the market is going to be paying close attention to the FOMC statement and probably more importantly, the press conference. Signs of exhaustion, I do believe, would show that the market is going back to the pro-US dollar stance, which I fully anticipate before it's all said and done. But the New Zealand dollar has gotten a little bit of a boost from the idea that the United States and China are starting to at least come together in softer terms when it comes to trade negotiations. Remember, New Zealand is highly tied to the Chinese and basically the Asian economy overall as a commodity producer. New Zealand is a small economy, so that's what is traded for the most. Basically, soft commodities such as agricultural, going to places like China, Indonesia, and Malaysia. With that being said, as things pick up in Asia, then the idea, of course, is that more demand for commodities overall will pick up, not just from New Zealand, but from places like Australia as well. However, at this point, it does look like the world is a little bit nervous about some things as the US dollar has picked up strength. And of course, the US economy continues to be stronger than anticipated, keeping rates higher. That makes the dollar attractive. So we'll see. I'm watching the 50-day EMA very closely. I think that's where we see the truth come out.